You've just gotten back from the store, and your arms are full of grocery bags. You're just ready to throw everything in the fridge and call it a day. But shoot, your door's locked. Well, you've got to start looking for your keys. Oh man, and now you dropped a bag. I guess you better hope nothing broke. And the key's not in your purse. Not in your pockets? What about this bag? Or this bag? And now you just ripped that bag. Even if you find your key, what if your lock's sticky? You could just give up and hope that your roommates will let you in. It worked today, but what if they aren't there? We need a keyless solution. Introducing the AutoUnlocker. A reliable, secure, easy-to-use device that allows you to unlock your door without a key. Let's take a closer look at the AutoUnlocker. On the inside of the door, you have an Arduino microcontroller, a 9-volt battery, a motor, and a 3D printed door lock fitting, which slides easily over the lock. The AutoUnlocker doesn't inhibit any of the normal functionality of the door. From the inside, you can easily turn the handle to get out, and the wires that wrap from the front to the back of the door don't interfere with the door closing. A string is tied from the door lock fitting to the motor, and the motor will rotate to pull the lock open if the password entered on the keypad is correct. So let's check out how to use the AutoUnlocker. First, press the button and then the passcode, which in this case is 1234, and then the pound key. The green LED will blink 3 times if you're correct. Then on the inside of the door, the servo pulls the lock open and then releases the tension in the string so the door can be locked again. Now let's see what happens when you enter an incorrect code. The red LED turns on to let you know that you entered the passcode incorrectly. And if you don't press the button, nothing happens at all, which means that your home is secure with the AutoUnlocker. Now I know what you're thinking. What in the world is secure about a password being 1234? But don't worry, that can be easily changed to whatever password you like, as long as your password doesn't include the pound key. Open the provided code and go to the line highlighted here. You can change the number within the quotation to whatever number you want. This will be your new password. Use the USB-A to USB-B cable to plug the Arduino microcontroller into your computer. Then, with your updated version of the code, hit upload. Now let's try out the new passcode. I set my new passcode as 4321. Now the AutoUnlocker registers the new passcode as the correct one, and your door will now unlock. Now you're ready to change the password as many times as you want. Thanks for watching and happy unlocking!